In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Amazon Fire TV stick remote if it's not pairing or working properly. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is unplug either your Fire TV or your Fire TV stick from the wall. Wait about 60 seconds before continuing because this is going to fully reset the connection before pairing it again. Now, while your TV is unplugged, grab your Fire TV remote and press and hold these three buttons at the exact same time. You're going to want to hit the menu button, which is like those three lines. Then you're going to want to hit the back button and then also left on the D-pad. It's a very weird combination, and you're going to want to hold all three of these buttons down for about 15 seconds and then release them. It might be going crazy all over your screen as you do that, but from here, go ahead and wait about 5 seconds after releasing those buttons and then flip the remote over, remove that back cover, take out the batteries, and leave the batteries out for a second. Set your remote down, plug your TV or Fire TV stick back into power, and wait till you see a message on screen saying something like remote cannot be detected, and then put your batteries back into the remote and press and hold the home button until you see the blue light start flashing up at the very top. That flashing light means the remote is now in pairing mode, and sometimes the remotes can be a little finicky, so if it doesn't connect right away, try pressing the home button a few times until it pairs. But as you can see, we are now fully connected, and it really is as simple as that. That is how you can reset and reconnect your Amazon Fire TV stick remote. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.